And I would say, let me know if I should get in contact with them or, how I can get in contact with them, Because you need to let them know you're being proactive,
All right, today we're gonna bring a cat hammock, and this is perfect if you have a new cat, old cat. These are very easy to assemble, very simple to use. We're actually gonna set this up for our cat. We got a new cat, and want to give him a little space so he could actually adjust and have fun. So we're gonna set it up and see how it works. All right, we just mocked it up right now. We're gonna set these up. This is pretty much how it goes. The corners. Make sure you have two poles here, two poles on the side, one of each corner, and then one extender to connect both of them. If you guys can see that. So we're gonna go ahead and set it up. All right, so we set up the suction cups on the end. If you guys can see, it's set up. Now you got to make sure that the paw is facing up, all right? And we're gonna put in the strings here. There's a screw here that the strings go in for the secondary set of suction cups, all right? So it's gonna have reinforcement of 2 plus 2 more. So let's go and finish it out. But look how beautiful it's coming out. So let's set it up. All right, this is the bottom of it. So we're gonna reinforce it already. So we're gonna flip it around if you guys can see. And this is gonna be the top. So pretty much the top buttons, all right, are covered up. So the cat can lay here on the bottom. The suction cups here. The suction cups are gonna be the secondary suction. All right, guys, here it is. Sturdy. This is simple to get out, but just make sure you put liquid in here. So to pull it out, you actually use this little strap here, and it gives you some air time. But look, it's on the actual window. We have our computer here. We're gonna have our cat sitting by our computer, relaxing, enjoying the sun, enjoying the day. So let's go ahead and get our cat in there. Oh, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. How do you like your space now? You love this, huh? You're going to be right over your mommy watching your computer games. You're going to be playing here all day. You like this? Yes, you like this spot. I like it too. Lazy cat.
Hey, Mom.